Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the flight status on the Kuwait Airways application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should tap on the More button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on Flight Status, and then you will be directed to a page where you can search by route or by flight number. So tap on the relevant option at the top. After that you should select the departure city, then the arrival city. Select the date on this last button and click on the View button down below. And then you will be able to check out the scheduled flights down below here at the bottom. If you search by flight number, you should type in the flight number, select date, and then click on the View button, and then here down below you will be able to check out the scheduled flights. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.